today I am doing a unbagging of Zaineylainey, well, unbagging and review of Zaineylainey samples. So it's just sort of a sniff test review rather than a melt review because I haven't melted any of them yet. Because I just got them like yesterday or the day before. I can't remember. The days are melding together. And I'm not in my beauty room, as you can tell, because it is very hot in there. It is like over 80 degrees, and which isn't that bad, but considering that I don't have air conditioning up or anything yet, and we've went from like last week having it like 40 degrees, and now it's all of a sudden 80. So I've got a fan on me. You can probably hear it in the background, among other things. So I am going to pull these out. I actually have already pulled them out once and smelled them, so it isn't exactly a first impressions. And I've got my little card here, as you can see. Here's the card. This is the postcard for Loki. The picture for the postcard for Loki. Now, there are many different ways that you can get Zaineylainey theme boxes. They have wax melts. They have the postcards. You can get the postcards. You can get body sprays. And you can also get samples of the wax melts, which is what I have. I have the samples. And there's also their themed boxes. And if you like, if you want to try all the scents from that month's theme, you got to do it then, because only some of the scents, usually only one, maybe two, get to stay permanently with the company, and then the others are no longer there. So the best way, if you want to try all the scents for that specific theme, the best way to do it is to get a box. Plus, I believe there's free shipping when you get a box. I believe. And I actually just ordered some body sprays, which were all just separate scents that I wanted to try or liked. So anyways, also, I'm going to mention this as well, that they have this little deal where if you collect 10 collectible pops or one golden pop, they're called pops, then you get a $5 coupon code. And then you just email zaineylaney@gmail.com to get your code. And then you can get $5 off. So, lots of cool ways that you can do things. Also, if you use my discount code, which will be down below in the information, you can get 10% off. And it is BadKitty10. It'll also be down below in the information, but it's BadKitty10. Okay, now let's get started, right? You're waiting. You're like, come on. Okay, so I'm gonna pull these out and then sniff them and tell you what I think. So, first one is going to be, I think, this one. This is Burdened with Glorious Purpose. And if you know anything, this is the Avengers themed box. And also, you see the little, it's the same as the picture I showed you before, because this is about Loki. So we have, I'm going to read off the card here. Burden Glorious, he's a villain, a trickster, a traitor, a brother, a king. If you don't know who's hiding on the throne, you won't understand the blend of cinnamon, amber, and ice. Now, it smells to me, I can't really smell the amber that much, but I'm sure it's there when you melt it. It smells a lot like cinnamon gum. Like the cinnamon and menthol come out really much more stronger. So it smells like cinnamon gum. Now I really like cinnamon scents, but cinnamon gum's a little different for me. But when I burn it, I will probably like it much more. I do like it. I'm not saying I don't, because I do. It's just different. Actually, the longer I sniff it, the more I like it. You know how some things when you first sniff it, you're like, and then you're like, oh wait, it smells really good. So it smells a lot like cinnamon gum, like Big Red. Do you remember Big Red? That's what it smells like to me. So that's the one that's based on Loki, and it's called Burdened with Glorious Purpose. Let's try and get that focused again so I can really go look at it. Cool. So, next one, I'm gonna look at, this one is called Wannabe. Make sure, there we go. There's that one. And he may not be experienced, but the kid from Queens in the spider suit has it where it counts. We imagine he'd smell like grapes, vanilla cream, and soda for a sweet grape drink. So as I said, I've smelled these already once. But this, yeah. This smells strongly of grape soda to me, and I really like that. Because I actually used to drink grape soda when I was a kid, so it makes a lot of sense to me, too. So this, of course, is Spider-Man. The Spider-Man theme. It smells really good. Yay. So. And the next one is Seventh Sense. Okay. And this one, her movie may not be out yet, but we expect a certain Captain Danvers to show up for the battle for the gauntlet. We combine her strength and feminine mystique in the sense of leather, rose, and wine. Now this one doesn't really do it for me. I'm not big on like leather scents, but I know people that love the smell of leather. Like, you know, I used to have a friend, we'd go into like the leather jacket store back in like the early 90s in the mall, and she would just like inhale the smell of the leather. Like, she was really into that. And there are a lot of people that really like that smell. So, and I can totally smell a hint of that rose mixed in there. So that's definitely there. So if you like leather scents, you will definitely like this. Seventh Sense. The last one that comes in this theme is called The Little Guy. And it is, his spirit is one with our nation's foundations, and his strength is the result of our ingenuity and mercy. He's far from humble than that sentence sounded. Steve is just as hometown as cherries, blueberries, and cheesecake. Smells so good. This one, out of all four, is my favorite from just sniffing them. I'm really, really excited. I'm gonna like melt this like in a few minutes. It smells so good, and it's so like, I totally get it. I totally get it for Captain America. It's such like an all-American like kind of scent, you know. And you have the cherries for the red, and the, you know, the blueberries for the blue, and cheesecake's white, and you know, a New York cheesecake totally makes sense. I really, really, really love this scent. So as I said before, if you look down below, I do have a discount code that you can use if you want to get some of these. I am a reviewer and do get a, you know, I don't know. I don't know what you would say for that, but I'm not exactly an affiliate. I'm just a reviewer. I don't know. But anyways, I do have a code though that you can use. That's my special code, so you can go use it. It's BagKitty10, and you will get 10% off your order. And like I said, there's body sprays, there's postcards, there's some really, really great things that you can get from her. And last month's theme box was like the Hellmouth, which is Buffy stuff. So if you like Buffy stuff, I think that stuff's still for sale. I don't think that they have like gotten rid of any of those scents yet. So, but I would grab them soon if you want to try any of those. because I don't know which ones are going to be the favorites. So yeah, so that is it. So if you like wax melt stuff, or if you like body sprays, the body sprays can also be used as a room spray. My favorite body spray that I already have is lemon sherbet, which is from the Harry Potter theme one that they did, and it smells like lemon Fruit Loops. It smells so good. I love spraying it. I'm wearing it now. It can be sprayed around the room as well if you need something to, you know, just be smelling fresher. These are great for that. I know people that use them for their car. Great, great stuff. All of her products are really nice. You really should check it out. Go check out the website. All that information will be down below. Okay guys, and remember to please share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that bell twice if you want notifications. Alright? Bye-bye, kitty cats. Alright. I'm about to record.